The Cartesian form from vector form. Okay, vector form already we have done. D is equals to A2 minus A1 vector dot product B1 cross B2 whole divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. Okay, now if L1 is given by x1 minus x minus x1 a, x minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b1, and z minus z1 divided by c1, and L2 is given by x minus x2 divided by e2, y minus y2 divided by b2, z minus z2 divided by c2. Okay, so here it is a line passing through the point x1 y1 z1 and parallel to a vector whose direction ratios are a1 b1 c. The second line is it is a line passing through a point x1 x2 y2 z2 and parallel to a vector whose direction ratios are a2 b2 c2. This is what the concept is. Now we have to find this. Okay. So very simple way to find. Now A2 dot product is first numerator we will find. How to write the numerator? Very simple way of writing the numerator. Okay. Take some space. Okay. You can see if A1 dot B1 cross B2, we can write it in the form of determinant. So A1, A2, A3, these are the coefficients of I, J, K of vector A. So now B1, B2, B3, these are the coefficients of I, J, K of B vector, C1, C2, C3. So these are the coefficients of I, J, K of third vector. Okay, first vector we are writing the first row, second vector we are writing the second row, third vector we are writing the third row coefficients. Okay, here similar way we are having A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1, how to write? Okay, so now we will write A1 vector here. Now A1 vector we will write A1 vector. It is a position vector of a point x1 y1 z1. So you can write A1 vector is equals to x1i y1j z1k. A2 vector, it is a position vector of a point passing through x2 y2 z2, x2i y2j z2k. And now x2 minus A2 minus A1, x2 minus x1 into I plus y2 minus y1 into j, z2 minus z1 into k. Okay. So now first we will write the coefficients of ijk of first vector, coefficients of ij of the first row, first vector coefficients in the first row. It is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay, so coefficients of b. Okay, so coefficients according to this line, b vector b1 vector is equals to a1 I b1 j plus c1 k. Okay, so according to this vector b2 direction ratios a2i b2j c2k. Okay, now according to this, the first vector, the second vector will write it in second row. Second row we have to write this coefficients a1 b1 c1. Third one, the third row, that is third row we have to write third vector coefficients in the third row. So this third vector we are having a2 Next B2 C2. So this is what it is. So denominator. Okay, next denominator, how to write? B1 cross B2, how to find? First I, J, K. Next coefficients of first row, that is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Okay, so you go for expansion. The next page, I as it is, cancel the first row, first column, B1, C2, C1, B2. B1, C2 minus B2, C1 minus J. Next, cancel the second row, first column, A1, C2. A1, C2, A2, C1 plus K. Next, cancel the first row, third column, A1, B2. A1, B2 minus A2, B1. This is nothing but B1 cross B2. Okay. Now you have to find magnitude. Now magnitude is nothing but square root of coefficient of I square plus coefficient of J square plus coefficient of K square. Okay. So therefore D is equals to A2 minus A1 vector dot product a B1 cross B2 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B1 is equals to, it is given by the determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 whole divided by, we will see, we will check it. You can see as it is, we are the numerators part. Next denominator part, it is here square root of b1 c2 b2 c1 square plus a1 c2 a2 c1 square plus a1 b2 a2 b1 square. So this is what the Cartesian form which we are having. So this is Cartesian form for the shortest distance between the two skew lines. Thank you.